is Keisha. I am here with Keylinkstravel Life, and I'm going to do a room tour for you all. I am currently at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. I'm down here in Florida for the CLIA Convention. It's the Cruise Line International Association, and I am an accredited cruise line counselor, so I'm here for the convention. This is my very first one, so I'm super excited. But I want to do a room tour with you all in case you're in the Fort Lauderdale area. This is my first time in Fort Lauderdale, and let me tell you, the flight coming in, I have a flight. I'm gonna do a flight. It was my first flight on this airline, and I'm going to do a video on that as well to tell you what my experience was like. But right now we're here for a room tour, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour to let you know the room that we're in. It's really nice, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. So first we're going to start here. I just showed you we're in room 1205, and I'm here with one of my business partners, a business associate. She's currently in one of the sessions for cruising. So let me turn this around so I can all right, so as you come in, you have your instructions there, where you're located, the little peephole, which is cool. And I guess we should get some more lights turned on. Okay, off to your right is a closet space. All right, so in the closet space, now excuse all the stuff. We are currently sort of moved in. We are here for 7 days. So we're kind of moved in. So I kind of wanted to show you how we have it set up so you can see what it's like, how much room you have if you're bringing the family down. Lots of space. So top shelf, we turn that into a little counter there for some odds and ends. It does come with an iron and ironing board, plenty of hangers, and of course if you needed more, I'm sure they could give you more. And then on the right side when you come in is the bathroom. All right, so this is the bathroom space. A couple of hooks there, and they give you plenty of towels. Well, they had 2 towels, 2 wash rags, the norm, but I asked for extra since it is 2 ladies here and we are here for a whole week. I'm like, you might as well just give us a little bit extra. We always need extra for makeup and all those necessities. This is a rain shower head, and it's very nice. Really nice size shower. It does come with shampoo and conditioner. Lots of space there. Plenty of counter space, but like I said, we are using the counter in there as well for some odds and ends. So that is the bathroom. They do have these sliding doors that close on both sides. Not a huge fan of these. I mean, you know, if you're looking for privacy, you can kind of see in there a little bit, but hey. But plenty of walkway space there as you first come in. 2 beds here, and I don't think they are quite queen. I think they are more full-size beds, but they are very comfortable. Very nice. I love the artwork in here. I don't know where the switch is. We do need a little bit more light, but you can kind of see what we're working with. They have one of the cart things there, so you could use that for your case. A really nice long mirror, really nice size TV, which is excellent. For some odd reason, in this door is a coffee machine. I don't get it, but okay, maybe they're trying to save room, save space in the room. You do have a counter space here. Again, we are kind of moved in, so excuse the mess. You have a couple of outlets, and there are, if you get really close, you can see there's 2 USB ports there, a drawer phone. That's the other bed. Over here is this counter. It's weird. Excuse the ironing board setup. We just have it there for use. There is another USB port there as well. I guess I could turn, here you go. Some little bit more light. A chair and a nice sized table. But this room has a balcony, and it is beautiful out here. We sat out yesterday and last night, so let's take a look. So it comes with 2 chairs and a nice sized table. So you can see plenty of space out here to sit and relax, and the beautiful view. How gorgeous is that? We watched the sunset last night. Got some pictures of that. I'll probably add on to the end of this video just so you can see. It was a nice cool breeze. Oh my goodness, it was so beautiful. We watched some of the yachts come in, some of the boats come in, the taxi. I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna zoom in way out there. That yellow one is a taxi that will take you from hotel to hotel or different restaurants. It's really nice. Alright, so there you have it. I wanted to share that with you, where we are staying in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. If you are interested in coming to the area, or if you are interested in booking a cruise and you would like to cruise out of Fort Lauderdale, please let me know. I am a travel agent, also accredited cruise line counselor, so I'd be happy to assist you and get you located in one of these beautiful, beautiful hotels.